Hi, I'm Wendy from shinyhappyworld.com, and in this video I am going to show you how to put together this bear applique pattern. So this is one block in the Woodland Critters quilt pattern. It's also one block in the Bunches of Bears quilt pattern. I really love this bear, so I used the same block in two different quilt patterns. Here's how to make him. All right, I've got everything prepped here, ready to put this bear together. So this is the video showing you how to assemble the pieces without a light box. And that means that we need to take all of these lines that are on the paper side of the pattern and transfer them to the fabric side. So just hold it up to a window, you'll be able to see those lines right through the fabric and transfer them over. So we are going to start with his big goofy head. Just peel off the backing, and you're going to line this flat edge of the head up with the flat edge at the bottom of the block. So this is what I call snapshot style. So it looks like he has a body, it's just not in the photo. Now we are going to take his ears and we're going to tuck them behind his head. So ear number 2 goes on this side, and we transferred this line, and that is going to help us here. As soon as we get that line covered up, we know we have a good amount of overlap, and it won't come loose in the wash later on. Same thing on this side. Now we're going to put his big goofy muzzle in place where this guide is showing us. There we go. And now we just have eyes and nose. So this bear is really simple. Whoops. And you want to make sure that the point at the bottom of the nose is pointing exactly at that line that's connecting the nose and the mouth. If you have that shifted off, it looks really weird. So like way more weird than you would think such a minor shift would make it look. And there go his eyes. All right, I'm going to take him over to the ironing board. I'm going to fuse all of those pieces in place. Then I'll do all the outline stitching, and I'll bring it back here and I'll show you the finished bear and also another color version that I did. All right, here is our finished bear. I've done all of the outline stitching and I've added some catch lights, just a little dot of white fabric paint to give those eyes a lifelike little spark to them. I want to show you a second version that I made of this also. So this is the version that I made for the cover of the Woodland Critters quilt pattern, which is a collection of all different forest animals. All of the background blocks in that cover sample are from the Avocado Blenders collection. So that's what you're seeing here in the background. And all of the animals in that sample use fabrics from the Animal Kingdom Blenders collection, which is all shades of realistic animal colors, browns and grays and kind of foxy reds and so on. But I've got another version that I made as well. So in addition to the regular cover sample, I also made a second version of the quilt to show you what it would look like with a pastel, totally different kind of background color. So this one, the bear, is also from the same Animal Kingdom color palette, but the background block is one of my pre-printed quilt blocks, so it's got the quilting lines printed on it from the Farmer's Market collection. And if you look closely, you'll see one more difference on this one, and that is that this version has the eyelashes stitched. So all of the animals in the pattern, almost all of the animals in the pattern, the turkey does not have eyelashes and the owl does not have eyelashes, but all of them have eyelashes in there as an option, so you can stitch them or leave them off for whichever look you like. I'm Wendy from Shiny Happy World, and here is the bear pattern.